Another application of AP. Now here we are given, I'll read the question for you. 200 logs, this is question number 19 of 5.3. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next, and so on. Total number of logs are 200. Total number of logs are 200, that means sum is 200. In the bottom row, we have 20 logs. Then the row above that we have one less. So D will be, in the next row we have 19. Then above that 18, above that 17. So D will be 19 minus 20, we get minus 1. 18 minus 19, minus 1. We have to find how many such rows are being created by 200 logs. Very clearly, we'll use the formula for sum. S200 will be n by 2. We'll use the formula for sum. SNS n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Sn is 200 and we don't know. 2 into a, 20, n minus 1 and the value of D is minus 1. This 2 goes here, so it becomes 400 is equal to n. This becomes 40. Then we have n into minus 1, we get minus n plus 1. Clear? So 400 is equal to n into 40 plus 1 will become 41 minus n, or we have 400 equals to 41n minus n square, or n square minus 41n plus 400 equal to 0. If you have a look, you have obtained a quadratic in the variable n. So find it, solve it, and then find the value of n. We can solve it by the method of splitting the middle term. Product of first and the last term is 400. We have to obtain two factors of 400 so that their sum or difference is minus 41. 200 times, then 2 goes 100 times, then 2 goes 50 times, then 2 goes 25 times, 5 5s and 5 1s. When we factorize 400, we get these factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 will get 16, and 5 into 5, 25. 16 and 25 on adding gives us 41. So we can rewrite it as n square minus 16n minus 25n plus 400 equal to 0. From the first two take n common, n minus 16. From the next two take minus 25 common, n minus 16 equal to 0. So we have n minus 16 and n minus 25 equal to 0. N is equal to 16 or 25. Now which value is correct? In the first row we have 20, and then we have 19, then we have 18. If I divide 200 logs by 16, 200 logs divided by 16, then 16 ones are 40 is left, 2s are 32, less than 12 or 12 logs approximately in the first row, but basically in the first row, that is the bottom row, 20 logs are placed, so n cannot be 16, n is 25. 200 divided by 25, 25, 8s are 200.